In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cosmetic jar and bottle mock-up using Nano Banana. If you're searching for a seamless way to bring your design visions to life, then you're in the right place. Let's get started, shall we? First, you'll need to head over to Google Gemini. If you're not familiar with it, Google Gemini is a platform that leverages AI to simplify tasks like design and mock-up creation. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It can be a little daunting at first, but trust me, it's quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. Now look for the icon that allows you to add files. This step is crucial as you'll want to have your design elements ready to upload. The files can be anything from existing designs or logos that you've saved as PNGs. Simply click on that icon to begin the upload process. Keep in mind, this is where your unique elements start shaping your mockup. With your files ready, it's time to guide the AI by entering a detailed text prompt. In this step, think about the specific bottle and jar you envision. Write a comprehensive description that includes details such as the shape, material, color, and any specific design elements you wish to be featured on the label. Take your time here. The more detailed you are, the better the AI can understand and realize your vision. Once your description is entered, it's time to let the AI do its magic. Find the Generate button and give it a click. This is when the AI applies the styles and elements you've described. It's a fascinating process to watch as your ideas start to come to life right in front of you. Now comes one of the most exciting parts of the process, seeing the final result. Take a thorough look at what the AI has generated. If you're happy with how it has interpreted your design, go ahead and download the image. This step is crucial because it ensures you have a high-quality version of your creation ready for any use, be it presentations, print, or digital marketing. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to create a professional and stylish cosmetic jar and bottle mock-up using Nano Banana and Google Gemini. Remember, the more you iterate and play around with different styles, the better you'll become at crafting visuals that truly stand out. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.